Hello? 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 Bloody. Hello? Hello, who's this?
Yeah, it's me.
What do you mean by me?
We have met before, right?
Okay, so. Are you fair or dark?
Obviously, you should be remembering my color.
Oh, so you're fair, huh?
I want to meet you.
What do you want?
I want to see you in person.
Oh, surely you can see me. Where are you now?
I'm here very close by.
Close by. I can't see you anywhere here.
I'm standing by the service lane here only.
Oh, you're so close by, or what?
Yes.
Just wait there. I'll just talk and come. Huh?
I'll also keep talking, okay? I'm wearing a red saree and also I'm having bunch of flowers in my hair.
Is it?
Come soon, okay?
I think more than me, you are in a big hurry. Hey, I saw you, dear. Even from far, you look very beautiful, huh? So from close, you might be very mind-blowing.
Then come fast. I'm here to blow your mind only.
So, you are that female sister, huh? You look very beautiful, huh?
I'm not just beautiful,
Huh.
I'm good in everything.
You're so beautiful. How come I didn't see you for so long, huh?
That's why you have come to see me, right?
Is it? Hey, run, hey, you don't run away. Hey, run. Hey, he's the bloody culprit, man. Don't leave him alive. Don't leave him. Catch him fast. Hey! This is a good chance. Kill him. No, don't. If you touch me, I'll kill you all. I'm telling you, I'll kill you all. Hey, come on, man. Come on, you bloody fella. Hey, I will not leave any one of you alive. You come, man. You don't know who the hell I am. Better don't touch me. You get out, go. What the hell do you mean, man? Hey! Hey, leave him, man. I'll hit him. Hey, dude! Don't do anything to me! He needs to be buried alive! You don't know who I am! Hey, you come fast! You cannot hold him! Hey, what is your problem with us, man? Just because you people were rich, we came to rob from your house. Neither I know you, nor do I know your sister. Shit! Without any problem, we were living a nice life. We were all very happy together. Just because of you, you only spoiled it, man. You bloody fellow. Drop him in, man, and we'll bury him alive. Drop him. Come on. Forgive me. I did a mistake. There is a death in your family. There is a death for me also. Just leave me alive. For heaven's sake, you leave me alive. Just leave me alive, man. I'll go somewhere and live properly. Whatever you ask, I'll give you. Whatever you ask, I'll give you. Will you give my friend back or what? You can't write. Don't talk to him. Bury him. No, don't do it. Bury it. Those who gave birth to us, it is not enough giving birth alone. For the first 5 years, they have to safeguard our life. As we grow older, they have to safeguard our mind. But none of these things they have done to us, man. I have lived with my family and I finished living. But you guys should live right. the murder that we have done together. I'll take it on my shoulders alone. Dude, how difficult it is to grow like an orphan. You know very well. The same way is our buddy also. Till birth, he doesn't know who his parents are. Now he has died also. But when his child will come into this world, it should not get the feeling of an orphan and it should not live like an orphan. Therefore, you should be shelter for the kid.
Brother.
Don't worry, sister. Like how I am a brother to you, the same way is he also. Brother, these days, people who have both the hands and legs itself find it very difficult to live. But you with one single hand, we also have many enemies around us. They will not allow us to live peacefully. That's why you run away somewhere and try and beg and live at least. Why did you call me immediately, brother?
Shut up, stupid fellow. Things are going from bad to worse here. If those guys find us now here, they will kill us too. We have to move from here earliest. When the situation calms down, then we'll come back. Have you filled up diesel in the vehicle?
Yes, brother.
Then let's move, come.
Okay. Sister?
Hello, dear brother. Where were you missing all these
Why
days?
are you crying like this, sister? What to do? This is my fate. I just went home now. I didn't see mother there.
Mom,
Sister, I'm feeling hungry. It's been 4 days that I've eaten something. Is there food for me? Rice and so many side dishes. It's been so long that I've seen this.
why are you talking like this?
I just simply said, sister. Sister, just like a mother who feeds her hungry child, you also knowing that I'm so hungry, you're feeding me all this, right? Actually, you're also like my mother only. Come, brother.
My dear son, where were you so long? Why didn't you come here?
Look here, dude. Look at his concern. What, brother? Suddenly you tonsure your head or what? Is it for some temple or what? All that you should ask this man to do, right? At least some of his sins will be pardoned.
My son,
What happened? From your life, you have given me a life. You are supposed to be a father. But first of all, I am not able to treat you like a human being itself. It is said that we have got 7 births. But I don't believe all that. But if there is something like that, in none of the births, I should not be born as your son at all. I will not be born also. I was a nice person only. Used to go to school regularly. Buy a cigarette, buy BD, buy that, buy this. Now I'm coming and standing like this in front of you, na? Now if anything happens to me, hey, brother. No, should happen. You should not even try and come to my dead body. Huh. Brother, Even after so long, mother didn't come, huh? How will she come? If she is given birth to a son like this. When mom comes, tell her. I could not do anything for her this birth. But in the next birth, I'll be born in her womb only. I'll take care of her very well. Oh, father, he doesn't even know that mom has died. Oh, my dear. Hey, dear. Where were you for so long, man? Where all did I not search for you? Did you go home? Will jaundice come and kill a person? Who knew all that? Who knew it would also take away your mother like that? Had your food or what? Who is there in that house to feed you? You come. I've got some money with me. I'll buy you something. You sit here, sit here. Sit here, dear. Sit. I'll buy and come now. Huh? Sit here. Hey, come on, man. Hey, come on, he's here. Brother, from the time I was born, I have not done anything for my mother. And she has died. I just got to hear now. Just for her, let me cry for 5 minutes. What sin did I commit? You have gone without even seeing my face.
You have cried for the mother who has died now, but I don't have an option because my mother is alive. Hello.
Who are you?
Yeah, tell me.
I am his mother
I
speaking.
received a call from your son telling to kill someone. I tried to call him, but he's not reachable. Once he comes, just tell him that I've killed him. Siddhar! Hey! My brother! My brother! Guys, come on! I have to save my brother!
Oh my god. Oh,
Come on, let's go to the
Take him
hospital.
out, take him
Siddhar, you need not worry. I am there for you. Your brother. I am there for you. Nothing will happen to you.
Nobody will
Be
be able
brave.
to come inside. Please wait here.
Take him inside soon. Come on, quick.
Oh God! What happened? Oh my God! What happened to my son? How he is
Mom,
now?
you please keep quiet.
God save-
I'm telling you.
I can't live
Nothing will happen to Siddhar. Please believe me. He'll be safe. Don't cry like this. Believe me. Hey, please take our mother from here. Please. I will come with our brother. Nothing will happen to him. Believe me. Buddy, just take them away from here.
Yeah.
Please go.
Come.
Please go. I'll come with Sendil. Doctor, I hope my brother's okay.
Come with me for 1 minute.
Doctor, I hope nothing will happen to him.
calm
My
down,
mom,
calm down.
our entire family is shattered.
Since it is a head injury, there is a deep damage in the brain. Very difficult to survive. Sorry.
Doctor, just like you, I wanted to make him a big doctor and save lives, doctor. It's my dream, doctor.
Even if you take a decision now, your brother can save 4 other lives if you can do organ donation. Whatever, ma'am.
What does the doctor say?
Hey, what
Tell
does the
me.
doctor say?
Hey, what
Tell me,
happened?
what does the doctor say? Say something.
For whom I had struggled my entire life till now. Even when he's going to die, he's going to save few people, buddy. For this alone. No, there are blood stains in these notes. I don't want this.
Killed you what?
Excuse me. Can you put a signature here?
Brother, if you put a signature only, they'll release his body. Please put a signature, brother.
It's not possible for me. When my wife left me, she has made me an accused. For a lot of lonely dead bodies, I've been a security safeguarding those bodies. Now my son has had a lonely death, and I'm the reason for that. He has never listened to me at all, and I have not listened to him too. 2 days before also he had told me, if he dies before me, I should not do the final rituals for him. This is the last opportunity for me to listen to him. My dear child, when my children died, I stayed alone in my life. I was thinking you guys as my children. When I die, I thought you will do the last rituals for me. Now you guys have left me alone, and now I became an orphan again. Each and every person starts his life at the age of 24. But this group of guys ended their life at the age of 24. Most important lessons to the parent. They have to take care of their children. That should be their only aim. If we need a good society, the parent should be a role model for the children. With love, yours, Rasu Madhuravan.
Get me the weapons here.
Take that.
Keys back to retaliate for the innocent. Who's back into the misery of pain? Misery of the rapist. Back in them, got it all long back up in the song. Hey!
Filling alpins, huh? Those are pins, right?
Sin. Who's back operation? It's my style while we listen to my block. So I can get back to the keys back.
What, man? This fellow is mixing alpins in the soda.
Operation is the name.
Normally people used to come inside the hospital and then put the syringe. But you have done the other way around and come here.
Doctor, you have got a very good humor sense, doctor. But sorry, we cannot laugh at all.
Don't bother about that. But one thing, the person who have hit you is not an ordinary man.
Oh my God!
A person who's got revenge, anger, everything in his complete body alone, he can hit you like this. Otherwise, how can you guys can be admitted here?
Actually, are you a doctor or a janitor?
Try to stuff a cotton in your mouth, doctor. And don't muffle your dialogues.
Can I see the man who has hit you?
What, yaar? You want to have our fate over?
Oh my God!
Again, pain! Come, you bloody musketeers. You've got it today from me. Hey, hand it over.
Playing with us, huh?
Hey, the other stuff. These pins are brought from the same shop that you brought it from. We also know how to mix alpins with soda.
What, dude? He is taking beer or what?
I think he's going to get drunk now. Hey, he's going going to throw that now. Oh my God, escape. Run. Fast. Take it. Wait, man. Hey, my auto yaar. Hey, it's my auto. Stop, man, stop. Hey, Sarvana.
Yeah, give me. Aishwarya, today is your last exam. That's why we all prayed for you. Take it.
I have to tell you something.
Tell me.
Shall I tell you in the evening?
Okay.
We arrived as soon as you started writing the exam. Whatever it is, you're going to get related to our family very soon. You being educated is actually very good for us. Hey, don't turn. Give her one rap here. Stay quiet.
Yeah, tell me.
We have kidnapped the girl.
You first arrange all the things, okay? We will reach the place at the earliest. And in front of the marriage hall, I will finish him, that's for sure.
We'll definitely kill him, sir. Yeah, you drive fast, man.
Somehow we should find the place where Aishwarya is there. We will get to know where Malla is from Kasi brother.
Even after coming here, we could not help, boss. Your girlfriend's problem, even that we could not solve. What do we do now? Don't worry, dude. There is definitely a way for us.
Welcome. I am Prestige. I am the son of this father. I have come here to ask for your marriage offer. Last time I did cooking for one marriage, and since then I haven't eaten anything. Even if you guys go into jail, you guys have this, and I want to cook for you. That is what I wanted to tell.
What? You cook nicely, huh?
This is when you should speak.
You have the food. You will not even wash your hands.
Even before that, they will beat me up.
I meant he will have the food again, boss.
That's enough. Give them the order.
10 bags of rice.
After 10 o'clock, you can take it from ration.
2 bags of sugar.
My dear brother, you can flick that from the nearby hotel.
100 coconuts.
If this is our place, then you can go and take from there. Do you already have a
Already
girl?
whacked.
That is what I was thinking. Even the girl is ready to come. You will go there and kidnap her. That is your guy. Then one more thing I want to tell. Can I sit here? Okay. For your marriage, how many people will come?
Around.
How many people who hate you? Even if they come, I will mix poison and kill them. Yes, from now onwards I won't scared by anyone. Then let me go and buy some. Okay, let me go. Come, Potbelly.
Who's this fellow, man?
What, boss? You seem to be very happy today.
The group of 5 people who brought me here, I will bring them and make them cook for me, and finally I'll mix poison and kill all of them together.
Please make it clear,
I
boss.
will make it clear for you. I will mix poison for them, and then I will tell these guys put it, and then I will go and I will become a great guy. Call them, Potbelly. Welcome, Mr.
Please pardon me, boss.
It's okay. And tell me, what happened to you guys? Are you still using my money? Or did you flick from someone else?
There's nothing like that, boss.
Nobody else has come.
They are feeling bad to face you, boss.
What about mixing?
Mixing can be there. Please call them once and ask them I specially invited.
I don't think they will come, boss.
I'll give all of them 5,000 rupees.
Money is not important,
Will they come, boss?
But last round of meals,
You're saying no, tie the sari.
they'll have to come.
She's saying no, come on.
Boss, why last round? Give me a phone. I'll ask them to come for the first round itself.
Boss, I think 5,000 rupees is too much for them.
Hey, Potbelly. They will eat the poison and they will die. Then we'll take back the money.
Boss, what are you doing?
You will see me very soon. I will become the boss.
Yes, dude, I saw. Aishu is here only. Is it? Go straight, go straight, go straight. Come.
Hey, Potbelly.
Huh?
Have you bought it?
Dal?
Poison. Hello. Who are you guys? Where are you going?
It's me, my dear boss.
Oh, it is you. You can turn around and show
According to
your
what
face.
you've done, we feel very bad to look at your face, boss.
That's all right. I want to see you guys. Turn around right now. Hey, Potbelly. I am not able to look at his face now only. How will I look at him later?
You can see that tomorrow morning.
My dear boys, you should all work sincerely and finally come and sit, have the feast, and then go.
Yes, we got it.
All right. Mm.
Aishwarya,
Sarvana.
please don't cry. I'm here. Hey, do it
Easy
properly.
mixing for himself. Make sure you all eat very well, all right?
Yeah, boss. Dessert is ready. Tell everyone that dessert will be really tasty. Within 5 minutes, tiffin will be ready.
Okay.
1 minute.
Ah.
We forgot to put some kismis.
Mix properly.
Yeah, you can
I'll
go.
do it. Give it
Looks
to me.
like Potbelly. He doesn't know that he is going to die. It's okay, go.
Where is the bride? I don't know. Did you see where is she? I didn't see her. Did you see at least? We searched her everywhere.
Hello, how are you?
Yeah, fine.
You should eat well and leave.
Hello, sir. This is my first order after a long time. You can taste this and then I will start the feast.
Do you know one thing? Girl is not
She
here.
must
She'll be somewhere here.
Go check.
I'm saying about the bride girl.
What?
What? The bride is missing. My dear boys, you can stop there. My dear boys, where are you?
Who is this fellow?
My employees only.
Who brought him here?
I only brought them.
For what?
There is a reason behind it.
What reason?
That is a big secret.
What secret?
By the way, the bride is missing, but you keep asking questions about these guys. What's
Because
wrong
he
with
is the
you?
one who kidnapped the bride.
Boss! We tried to trap those guys, boss, but those guys have picked the girl and they've left here. Come, let's move!
No, I won't stop.
Go take bath and come.
Don't show my head too.
You fellow.
The light of our house is no more. She has left us alone. What difference does it make if I have hair or if I don't have hair?
doubts are true. I'm not as good as you thought me to be. I really loved you, Arun. There's no doubt in that. But you made a mistake, Arun, by marrying me. If you just left by not marrying me, I would have remembered you lifelong. Our love wouldn't have to go through this fate. You lived with me for 4 days and you left. What else could I have done, Arun? Loneliness, mental depression kept eating me up. That was the time when, under a rare situation, me and your father had to have sex. We both tried a lot to avoid that situation. Our body didn't listen to our minds. Yes, we were in an illicit relation. Only if you were in my position, you'll understand it. But I never knew that you loved me this much, Arun. I didn't know. You're a very good man, Arun. I don't deserve anybody like you. I am 2 months pregnant now, Arun. The truth is that the child is not yours. Arun, I wanted to live lifelong with you. But fate had some other plans for me. Me and your father, we both have made mistakes. But the punishment for this, I'm giving it to myself. You must forgive him, Arun. At least in our next birth, I will live forever with you, Arun. I wish God grants me that wish. You should take care. You should be happy. Like what you mentioned in the story, I understood that we should live a fair life. But I couldn't do that. Now I'm feeling very disgusted with myself. I can never live with you again, Arun. I don't want to be alive in this way. Nobody is responsible for my death. Please forgive me, Arun.
Tell me, why did you ditch me like this? Am I not your son? How could you do this harm to me? Was not a Sundari like a daughter to you? How could you ever spoil her?
I am not a bad man. The situations made me so. In the long 18 years of my military life, I have never done any mistake. Apart from rum and guns, I didn't know anything else. Apart from your mother, I have not looked or thought or disturbed any other feeling. After I injured my leg and got admitted, I came running thinking that I could live the rest of my life with my wife. But when I came, she left me and went away. What do you think I should have done?
Does it mean you can make your daughter-in-law your wife?
Love and affection I had in plenty like the sea. But to express that, I had nobody. It was then Sundari, my Sundari arrived. Initially I treated her like my daughter. She too treated me like a father. But fate, that did not leave us alone. Right here, when we came for fishing, one accident. It was me who actually compelled her to do sin. Actually, we just came to your college to tell you that. But you didn't care to listen. A fellow who once commit a mistake will repeat it over and over again when he's left alone. I too did that. Several times. Finally, I became addicted to that luxury. I celebrated to that extent.
But my Sundari has gone away, leaving me alone. Her memories are killing me.
When you were committing all these mistakes, didn't you ever feel that you're ditching mom?
Your mother was alone for 18 years. You mean she did not commit any sin? Has she never ditched me?
Don't ever talk like that. My mother is not that sort of a lady.
When your wife can ditch you in this such manner, my wife has not at all ditched me. How do I believe that? Huh? I am very practical. But Sundari, what a beauty she was. Physically as well as in nature, she was like a goddess. Your mother cannot be at least 10% of Sundari. Sundari is like my wife. No, my wife. I loved her like my own self.
What if I knew the truth? And if I would have done something?
Before that, I would have slaughtered you. After killing you, I would have lived happily with her. But fate dished me. Now I hate my own life. I loved her so much. How beautiful was my Sundari. Beautiful body. Hey, listen. Sundari is my wife. After killing you, I would have married her. She didn't have a single mole in her whole body. Sundari is my wife. After killing you, I would have owned her to my own life. Sundari is my wife. I loved Sundari more than your mother. Oh, my Sundari. My Sundari left me alone in this world. Sundari.
If a monster like you takes birth here, this planet get contaminated. You go back to the sea. Let the beings there devour you. Let all your sins be nullified.
My dear Sundari. How pleasant was the life with you, Sundari. I would have killed you and I would have owned her as my own. Sundari. After killing you, I would have got married to her. Sundari, you left me and went away. Why did you leave me and go away? I think you jumped off the boat. I am going to meet my dear Sundari. My life is full of my Sundari. Without her, why should I live? Sundari. My Sundari.
Mother, what I have done is right now. I'm not going to feel dejected with whatever has transpired in my life. My fight shall continue, and I shall definitely win in my life. Mother, as you wished, I'll try to be a good teacher. Like you, I teach good words to everyone. Kindly bless me, Mother. Bye, Mother.
What, Nanda? Home food is in office table?
Hey.
Mr. Nanda, we are from the Vigilance Department.
We got information that you have got the bribe money.
Who? Me?
Yes.
Please cooperate with us. Sir, I think we got some wrong information.
We will look into it. Please search.
I've looked everywhere, sir. I didn't find anything.
Check this carrier out.
Okay, sir. Sir, there's nothing in this tiffin box.
Hello.
Sorry, Mr. Nanda. We have received wrong information.
No, sir. There's no money. We didn't got anything. Yes, sir.
Thank you for your cooperation. We'll move.
Okay, sir.
Okay, big brother.
What's happening here? Even I don't understand.
What kind of vegetables they are eating? Not at all suiting their profile. Potatoes. Now what? Spinach?
Madhu, actually the cash is...
I thought you were an honest officer.
please try to listen what I'm saying now.
No need to tell anything. The carrier says everything.
Madhu, please believe me. I'm not a bad person.
When you said not to take it, I must have understood. I'm an idiot. I shouldn't have believed you.
Don't talk like a fool. Why should I take bribes?
Then have you got this money?
You won't believe me?
I'm not only loving you. I love your honesty too, you know. But you cheated me. You please leave this place.
I'm trying to explain you
For
so much,
God's
but...
sake, please leave this place.
Sir, after you got hospitalized, Big Brother didn't give anything to me, sir.
Sir, please ask for more money this time.
And with interest. Come inside.
Thank you, sir.
What do you want? Your life, can you give it? Get it from me. Get lost.
Cut your hair first.
If I don't cut,
We'll cut your head.
Greetings, Bigby. What are you looking at? That I'm still alive? Or why am I alive?
Why did you come here? Do you want to die?
Hey, filthy pig. I can finish you off in a blink of the eye. Swallow your food, go up and do your homework. We elders have got some work to do.
Hey!
Shut up.
Hey, Pandian. Do you realize where you are and what you're talking?
Yes, Bigby. I know very well. I too grew up eating the same shit. How can I forget that?
Well, you have forgotten.
Who forgot? Me? You forgot everything and acted in haste.
Hey! Don't forget who you're talking to. We'll thrash you.
Come on, do it. Come on, do it. All these days I was loyal because I had food from you. But you took everything away. And today I'm standing here only because of the public. I'm going to be loyal to them hereafter.
Why do you want to be a good man?
Good man? Me? I'm a bad man, Big B, and a very bad one at that. I was like that to the public. Hereafter it's you.
Get a transfer order and get the hell away from this town, or I'll send you once and all from this world.
Let us see who's sending whom and where.
Hey, you are raising your voice in front of Big Brother?
Hey, I have 6 bullets in my gun. I have selected one already on Shakti. Rest 5 are free. Tell me your name and I'll write yours.
Hey, Pandian, you just have 6 bullets, but I have 600 people with me. They'll take you apart into pieces.
Big B, I don't believe in eye for an eye and blood for blood. I won't do anything to you. But if you get caught on your own, I'll tear you guys apart. Don't mess with me or the public. Apart from that, you do anything you want. I came all this way to say this. Hey, pig, watch what you're eating. It might be shit also.
Sir, that was really brave of you. I never expected that you would talk like that.
You will see more things like this. Come, let's go.
Hey, you! Hey, don't run!
Sir! Hey, who asked you to put money inside the different carrier?
Sir, Inspector Pandian told me to do it.
What? Inspector Pandian?
Yes, sir. He told me if I don't do it, he'll hit me. I didn't know what to do. That's why I did it.
Okay, go.
Good morning, sir. Thank you.
Priya, I'm leaving.
Okay.
Hey, Priya, I said I'm leaving.
I told okay. Why can't you move?
If you give what you have to, then I'll be on my way.
How much ever you're taking, why aren't you satisfied?
Well, that's because God has given you all the beauty in this world. It's getting late, I'm leaving. Here, there, and what about here?
Dear, enough. Come on, go.
Hey, this is not fair.
Inspector, sir.
Why are you crying? What happened?
My daughter has been kidnapped, sir.
They kidnapped your daughter? Who did that?
Big brother's son, sir.
Please leave me,
Stop crying, you silly girl. Uncle? Huh? How dare you call me uncle? Do you think I look so old, huh?
Uncle, please leave
If you call me uncle again, huh? I was expecting you. Good to see you here. Wait for a while outside. I'll call you when I'm done.
No, Shakti, leave her alone.
Oh, come on, Pandya. Have you forgotten we have shared so many girls?
Shakti, they were all selling their flesh for trade, but this one is different. Leave her. You go.
I won't let her go.
Why won't you listen?
Hey! Pandya! How dare you raise your hand on me? I won't leave you, huh?
Officer.
Sir?
Until we get him to the court, no one should come to know.
Okay, sir. Hey! Why are you covering my face? You know what? Our inspector, sir, will encounter after covering. Hey! Encounter! Just shut up! No, Pandya! Just go! I'm telling you, don't go!
Hello?
Hey, Pandya. What are you thinking in your mind?
Sir?
Huh? How come you can touch Shakti? Just leave him now.
Sir, attempt to rape, sir. He tried to rape a schoolgirl, sir. And the public had witnessed it.
Big brother will take care of it. Just leave him now.
Okay, sir.
Hey, stop! Hey, don't run! Hey, no, stop! Hey, stop!
What, Pandya?
Sir, I thought of letting him away, but before that he escaped.
Is that true?
Yes, sir. Lot of witnesses too.
What are you saying?
Well, everyone was watching, sir.
Okay, you just go to the station.
I'll do that.
Sir, he escaped, sir.
Forget it. Come on.
Get in. Okay.
Where is my son?
Brother, Shakti will come.
When is he going to come?
I told to release him already. He just ran off because he would have been encountered.
Is that so?
Yes, brother. I have encountered a lot of people at that location. This is what happened. You don't worry. He will come.
Sir, let's start, sir. I'm really waiting for it.
What are you looking at, you pig? Searching for your father, is it? According to your father and the public, you escaped on the way.
Hey, I didn't escape.
You're right, you didn't do that. Running with his face covered was Kannan.
So according to them, you're not with us. Don't do this, Pandya. You're making a very big mistake. If you hit me, you know what will happen to you?
I want to see what will happen.